Hello everyone, showing on the screen today is a procedure on how you can get $100 no deposit account. And first of all, proceeding, you have to first download the app. As you can see, what I just did there on Play Store. And once you're done downloading the app, you go straight to the app, you create an account with them. So you show, as you can see showing on the screen, right here at this spot you put in your details. You can see here this spot, you put in your first name, your last name, you put in every details, your date of birth, and next you click on next, and then it brings you to this place where you have to put in your Gmail, your phone number, you create a password with them, and then click on finish registration. So once you're done clicking on finish registration, it takes you to the next place where you have to verify your Gmail. A message will be sent to your Gmail. As you can see mine, the message was sent, a code was sent to my Gmail, and all you just have to do is copy the code and paste it where it is required. And then once you're able to log in, you can see this description showing up on the screen. You just have to click on open, and then you have to activate the bonus. I promise you get this bonus even without verification. So from there it takes you to this next part where you have to click on accept terms and conditions, and then the bonus will be activated, as you can see showing on the screen. And once that is done, the next thing you have to do is to get the details for your MT4. So you go back to the main page, and then you click on this description showing accounts down here. Once you click on it, it takes you to where you'll be able to display your bonus showing on the screen. To display the bonus showing on the screen, and you'll be able to get the details for the MT4 showing just on your screen. And headed straight to my MT4, putting the details, my login number and my password. After putting it, I clicked on sign in. With this is the $100 ready to trade. And to verify every procedure, you have to go back to the site to verify your account. So you have to submit a document of yourself. You take a live photo of yourself and you submit a proof of address of yourself. So once you're done submitting the documents, you will get a message that it has been verified. So once you're done verifying, you can head back to the site to trade the bonus and make profit. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like and share with your guys, so they can also benefit with you on how to start the market with free capital. Have a nice day, guys.